In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the Zoom desktop client on your computer. If you need Zoom for meetings, classes, or work calls, this process is very simple and only takes a few minutes. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect on your screen from start to finish. To begin, open your web browser. You can use Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome for this. Once your browser is open, go to zoom.us/download. This will take you to Zoom's official download page, which is the safest place to get the desktop app. Using the official website helps make sure you're installing the correct version and avoids unnecessary third-party downloads. When the page loads, look for the Zoom desktop client section. In that area, click the button labeled Download. As soon as you do that, your browser will begin downloading the Zoom installer file to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, you may see the file appear right away in the Downloads bar, or it may save directly into your Downloads folder. After the download finishes, locate the file called zoominstaller.exe and double-click it to open it. If you see it in the Downloads bar at the bottom or top of your browser, you can open it from there. If not, open your Downloads folder and find the same file there. Double-clicking the installer starts the setup process. At this point, Windows may show a user account control pop-up asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. This is a normal security prompt. If you see it, click Yes to continue. That gives the installer permission to complete the setup properly. Once you've approved that prompt, the installation will begin. You'll usually see a progress bar while Zoom installs. This part is automatic, so all you need to do is wait for the installation bar to finish. The time it takes can vary slightly depending on your computer and internet speed, but in most cases, it only takes a short moment. When the installation is complete, Zoom should open automatically on its own. That lets you know the desktop client has been installed successfully and is ready to use. And that's it. You've now downloaded and installed Zoom on your computer. If you found this helpful, feel free to use these same steps anytime you need to reinstall the app or help someone else get started.